Steam rises as a hot slice lifts, cheese stretching long and slow. Fresh pizzas roll out, bubbling and blistered, heat shimmering in the air, clean cuts into perfect wedges. Slices slide into a tray, then under film, wrapped tight and smooth. The line resets, fine mist, gleaming steel, droplets running to the drain. Raw materials arrive, flour and ingredients staged and sealed. A hose locks in, flour flows fast under controlled suction. Servo gates pulse, flour, salt, and yeast measured with precision. Into the spiral mixer. Dry turns to dough, folding into strength. The dough releases in a thick ribbon, feeding the line ahead. The dough ribbon feeds the divider, portion drop equal and exact. Each piece rolls and tightens into a smooth, glossy dough ball. Into the proofer, warm air, gentle humidity, slow rise. They come back out slightly puffed, evenly spaced and relaxed. A press forms perfect rounds, edges lifting into a crust rim. Guides and rollers refine the shape, uniform bases, clean lines. Docking pins tap fast, perforating the center to prevent bubbles. Bases load into the par-baked tunnel, heat shimmer at the entrance. Crusts exit pale golden, cooling as steam fades under fans. Sauce churns, then spirals on, precise, consistent, ready for topping. Chilled cheese hits the shredder, fluffy strands tumble into the bin. A dosing head rains cheese evenly edge to edge, no waste. Toppings drop in timed pulses, pepperoni and veg settle into place. A quick silent check, one topping nudged, then the line keeps moving. Each pizza is weighed on the fly, air jets ready, accuracy confirmed. They load into the tunnel oven, heat glow rising at the entrance. Inside, cheese liquefies and bubbles, pepperoni curls at the edges. Baked pizzas roll out, golden rims, molten tops, steam lifting away. Up the cooling spiral, fans set the surface to a perfect finish. Through the sensor tunnel, inspection complete, flow never stopping. The rotary blade cuts clean, equal wedges, almost no crumbs. Guides nudge each slice back into a perfect circle for packing. A robot lifts the set and drops it precisely into a cardboard tray. Clear film unwinds intentions, smooth, steady, controlled. Trays enter the flow wrapper, film folds and seals into a neat seam. In seal, jaws clamp and release. Tight seals, perfect timing. Into the shrink tunnel, heat tightens the wrap. Corners crisp, out to cooling, glossy film sets as condensation clears. A coder marks the pack area, fast, precise, unseen details. Final checkweight confirms it, gates ready, line moving on. Carton blanks pop open, snapped into shape by suction and rails. The wrapped pizza slides in, centered tight, flaps folding shut. Tape rollers press and seal, clean edges, smooth finish. Vision sensors scan every carton as it glides past. On the accumulation table, cartons queue gently without touching. Robots pack them into shipping cases, snug in a perfect grid. Each case is weighed, then labeled and smoothed flat. Straps tighten, heat, weld and cut, locked for transport. Cases roll out toward palletizing, turning smoothly on stainless rollers. A fresh pallet drops in, aligned and ready for stacking. The gantry robot stacks cases, interlock, corners perfectly aligned. A slip sheet drops between layers, fluttering, then settling flat. The final case lands gently, one clean layer complete. Stretch wrap spins fast, building glossy bands around the pallet. The film tail clamps, heat cuts, and wipes down smooth. A label is pressed on, quick contact, clean release. The pallet rolls onto the scale, heavy and steady. An AGV slides in, lifts, and moves out under the racks. Through the air curtain, cold fog blooms for a moment, then clears. Finished pallets rest in cold storage, quiet, sealed, ready to ship. A wrapped pallet arrives in the shop, cartons fresh off the truck. A master case opens, one sealed pizza carton lifted free. Into the walk-in freezer, cold air rolls as a carton is pulled from the rack. Back on the line, the pizza is unwrapped and set onto the peel. It slides onto hot stone, heat shimmer, cheese starting to bubble. Slice clean, boxed fast and pressed shut for delivery. The box drops into an insulated bag, zip closed, ready to go. The rider pulls away, smooth and steady through the night. At the door, the warm box changes hands in one quick motion. The lid opens, steam rises, a slice lifts, and the first bite crunches.